Welcome to the new blog, guys. So today I'm going to show you the first caravan in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, guys. So you can see in the back, this is the first caravan which is placed in Sri Vijayapuram, guys. So I want to show you from outside. So let's see this caravan from outside, then we will go from inside. Let's go, guys. So that's your caravan, guys. It's a outer look, it looks like this. It's a complete build-up of a Mercedes huge vehicle, huge one. It's an opening from here, and this is website is given www.nkcaravan.com, guys. And the back side is looks like this. That's a NK Palace on wheel. So finally in Andaman we got a caravan. Let's go inside and see the interior of this vehicle. Let's move inside this vehicle, guys. So once we are entering inside it, we can see a lounge area. It's a huge lounge area, guys. Actually this is a massage seat. See, that's a massage seat here. AC is there, AC vents are there. It's a huge television is placed with JBL bar, and here you can have your kitchen dining area. There's an oven here. It's the oven is placed here. That's the oven, and here you can you can make the food. And there's a shelf here. See, that's a shelf. It's a fantastic model, guys. See, it's a completely shelf is here, and also you have one. There's one fridge. Yeah, it's a fridge here, guys. Yes. So finally we are inside the caravan. It's a very beautiful, very luxurious. It's a luxury. It's a hotel on a wheel, guys. See, it's a widescreen TV. You can sit here, take your massage, watch the TV and enjoy the food. You can make the food here. Yes, you can cook the food here. You can place your drinks inside this fridge. We have a fridge here. Yeah. That's a fridge. So that's your kitchen area, television area, AC is provided, and a fantastic lights are also provided. Here I want to show you the rooms. There are two rooms, guys. One is in that side. Let's go and check. And another it's in that side, guys. So we will check the first room. Let's go. So let's check the first room, guys. Yeah. So that's we are entering inside the first room. Okay, it can be opened from here. Yes. So we'll check how it looks. Yeah, this is one bed, one king size bed. You can see it's a TV is also placed here. Even you can open this thing if you want to see the sky and all. It's can be open from here. So you have a very big king size bedroom, guys. Not in this side, it's the lower portion. In the lower portion also you can get one amazing bedding facility. It's a king size bedding, and that's a television is placed. So in this way you can bring your family with this luxury on wheel, guys. So let's check the bathroom. We are entering into the bathroom, and this is the shower area, and it's a Jaguar made company. It's a rain shower. You can use this shower. Okay, that's a partition area. That's we can say it's a wet area, and there's a dry area. Okay, so towel can be placed here, one towel can be placed here, lights are provided, and a curtain curtain is also provided, and you can use all these amenities in this running vehicle, guys. Towel and wash basin, everything is provided. A very big, very large glass and ventilation is also provided. It's look like is it looks like a flight? Yes, it's a top class flight amenities has been provided, guys. It's a luxury on a wheel, guys. It's amazing, guys. It's amazing thing they have done on the wheel. So this is the bedding facilities. It's a fantastic illuminations is provided on the top roof. Bedding, you can watch the movies while you are traveling in these Andaman Islands. It's provided by the NK group of companies. Say this is one more bedding and your second beddings. So if you want, you can come here and you can, the old age people or everyone can have a sit here and the massage. See the massage, it's a display. They have provided a display. Now we can stop this thing. Okay, power on. So this one, so this is the massage option in a 4D. Like a lot of options are there inside. It's a Chinese massage is there, relief massage, body balance, everything is there. Heating, all kind of massage you can have in this sitting position, guys. And so what I am telling, if you are bringing your family with this, you can spend a very nice time with them. You can close this, yeah, so you can have the privacy also. You can change your dresses. You have a privacy for 4 persons can use that room. So in a family, the gents can use this room, right? This is room for the gents. 2 person can stay here. 2 persons can say you can use the bathroom. That was the gents can use that room, guys. And the second one, even there are the ladies will be there. So ladies, they have a separate room here. So let's check the another room. This is the room for the ladies. Here there is one bedroom. There is one bedding here. Another is here, as I said before. And here what we have, a door is provided. Okay, so once you are opening the door, you can enter into the bathroom, guys. The same design has provided. Say it's a Jaguar made rain shower is provided. That's a dry area, and that's a wet area and that's a dry area. And you can use this. Cordless phones are also provided. On an emergency, you can have a talk with the driver people, and there's a clothing facilities. Everything is provided. So it's made up of completely steel, so it's very hygienic. Like it's easy to wash and maintain. Also flooring are also amazing, guys. Wooden finish is provided. So this is how you can travel in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Currently this vehicle is you can use this vehicle for the Chiriatapu. You can go to Wandur, and you can go to the North Bay. You can keep your vehicle on the roadside, and you can use it. Now outdoor also there is one canopy is there. You can sit in that canopy and can relax for that, right? Currently this can go to, it can pass the Jaguar Reserve Forest, like to the Uttara jetty it can go, right? After the construction of the bridge, this vehicle is ready to go and hit the roads of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, guys. That's a Mayabandar, Diglipur, wherever you want, you can take this vehicle. This is amazing things. As amazing idea was created. This was the thing which was needed in Andaman and Nicobar, guys. This is super one. I like it. The ventilation, the design and all. So do one thing, we will check the massage and all. Let's go. So as I said before, guys, we have a massage corner here. So Roderick, what's your name, guys? Roderick. Yeah, Roderick is here. He has introduced me like all the things here. So he is telling about the massage is we can do the massage also, right? Yeah. So that's a massage here, right, guys? This is the sitting position. you can keep your leg inside this in this way, right? So there's a speaker also, and you can open. You can, once you're clicking out, it's just open now.
Lie down with your back on the massage chair.
Yes, please lie down on the back. The leg is going up now in this way. So now what I see here, that's a screen. That's a screen now, and if you click on to the Chinese and all, now is giving the Chinese massages now. Yeah, I can feel that something is pushing in back of me. There is some kind of massage is being done. See, it's massage is going to be, yeah, somebody is pushing me from the back. It's a kind of massage, guys. Now here there is one more, is that it is relief massage. This is a relief massage. So this is how you can have your time inside this massage corner, and you can enjoy the display. You can watch the movies, view from this side, and you can have the cup of drinks. You can place your drink here. You can have and enjoy your journey, guys. So that's the thing. So let's close this. Okay. So once you are clicking it,
please get up after the massage chair.
Yeah, the chair is getting down now. So this is the way, guys. Okay. So that was a great massage, guys. So this is Carbon Chalk, guys. So this is the place where you can come and book the caravan, and they have the office here. It's an Indian Oil, and you can book here, guys. And if you want to book it, you have to come here, and this is the place, guys. You can book the caravan. So this is NK Palace on Wheel. This is the office, NK Palace on Wheel. We have a staff inside. You can talk with them. So finally we are in the office of NK Palace on Wheel. They have the registration website and all. I will be showing the website in the screen below and the description. So let's go inside this NK Caravan. We'll see the office. So that's the office of the NK Caravan. So we have entered into this caravan office, and he is going to tell me something about related to the bookings in caravan, guys. This is the booklet of this NK International Caravan Reservation. It's for contact number is also provided. Daily trip is provided, Sri Vijayapuram to Middle Street, Baratang. As I said before, Baratang you can go. Per person it costs 3,500 rupees. And also bulk booking is available. This is the phone number of to book this caravan, guys. So it's cost about 3,500, right? Okay, 3,500. Total person, eight person. Yeah, total 8 person can go, and per person you have to pay 3,500. Middle Street Baratang is it's near to Jaguar Reserve Forest. So that was the driver. Hi. So hello. Subscribe kariye, guys. Subscribe karega. So that was the episode, guys. So if you like our content, then like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We will be bringing you to more stories like that. Till then, we'll see you in the next episode. Till then, bye, guys. Jai Hind.